This is a passive income business opportunity that costs $0 to start. There is zero risk. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so they could help others out. I also like to share videos just like this one where I try different ideas and see if you can make passive income online, try these different business models out, I try different experiments. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon, and you could stay updated with my new videos every week. And just for doing that, I'm also doing a giveaway at the end of every month where you have a chance to win my Amazon FBA course, which is a complete course that shows you the whole process of selling on Amazon. And if you already have my course, it's going to be a $100 prize. So keep an eye out for that, but we're going to get into this video right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you a passive income business opportunity. If you don't know what passive income is, it is basically income that you can make while you sleep. There's not much work that you have to put into it after you set it all up, and you could generate income basically wherever you are, on vacation, while you're in bed, while you're at home. So I'm going to show you how to do it. This is a passive income business opportunity that costs $0 to start. There is zero risk. Unlike my Amazon FBA business, you have to pay money to start. You have to buy the products. Where this business model, you design your products and then they will sell them for you and then they will send you the profit. Now, you've probably heard of this business. It's called Teespring, and they basically make shirts, sweaters, all different kinds of accessories, and you could design them right on their website. And then all you have to do is post your link on different websites like social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, and people will actually buy your products if they like what they see. So I'm going to go over all of this in this video so you have an idea of how you could start. Again, it costs $0 to start and there is zero risk because you're not paying anything to start this.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
I know it seems too good to be true, and usually when it seems too good to be true, it is not true. I might actually do an experiment video where I'm going to try to launch my own products on this website and see if it does work, but we're going to get into how to do it and go over everything that you should know if you want to start a passive income business with zero money. All right, let's get into my computer right now and break it all down. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on teespring.com. You've probably seen it before on a lot of YouTube channels. Usually they will have like hats or t-shirts right underneath the video so you could buy the products that the YouTubers are wearing. So a lot of them use teespring.com, and it is really easy to use. All you have to do is design a cool product or logo or some kind of quote on your t-shirt, and then hopefully people will buy it. You don't want to have like a t-shirt with a bad design because people are not going to buy that. So you do have to be kind of creative and look at different markets, trends, see what people are wearing, and then you could design your own. And if you don't know how to design like in Photoshop or any other type of programs, then you could hire someone on Fiverr, and it's pretty cheap, like 20 to 50 bucks, and I'll show you that later. So it is free to start, but you might have to pay some money to get a designer if you want to have someone design it for you. And then depending on how much marketing and advertising you do, or if you have a big social media following, you don't need to do advertising, but we're going to get into it right now. So like I said, they do everything for you, and then I'm going to go into my account right here. I might do an experiment where I'm going to launch a t-shirt line, but I haven't thought about it yet, so I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I might do that in a future video. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. But we're going to come right here and it says choose your product. So you can see they have a ton of different products on here. They have a face mask, neck gaiters, zip hoodies. They have pretty much everything that you would wear. So we're going to do a t-shirt. So I would come right here and I'm going to look at the different styles of t-shirts. I'm going to do a classic tee. That's just a basic t-shirt. They have different materials like a premium tee, but it tells you all right here. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to start designing. So I'm going to do sell because I'm going to create a product that I want to sell, and I'm going to click right here, and then this is the design studio. So this is where you're going to add your image if you have it made by someone on Fiverr. And if you don't have someone that's going to make it for you, or it's really simple like just some text, all we do is hit add text, and then this is where you're going to design it. So we could do like F 2020, something like that, just something simple. It's going on in the world right now, so someone might want to wear this, but it looks pretty plain. So we are going to change the text. So let me go here and go right here, and I'm going to do that. So there's a lot of different text on here, or you could do it in Photoshop if you know how to use that, but we could do something like this. We can make it bigger. We could move it around, and boom. So you could have this, you could wear it on your social media websites, and hopefully someone will want to buy this. That's just an example. It's pretty broad, but you could also change the color. So we'll do blue, and then you could add a ton of different colors when it comes to the t-shirt. So we're going to go right here And we're gonna do red, pink, and it doesn't cost any money to add more. It just gives your customer more options. So think about that. We're gonna do all of these different colors, and then you could even put stuff on the back if you want to, but we're just gonna do the front. I'm gonna hit done. And then right here, it comes down here. This is your price that you're gonna sell the t-shirts for. And right here, you could see the profit that you would make if you get a sale. So they're gonna take their cut for making the product, for shipping, and then that is the profit that you get every sale that you make on this t-shirt. So it's pretty cool. They do all the work for you and you make that profit for every sale. So then we're gonna hit continue right here, and it gives you a whole bunch of different options for that design. So you could have hoodies with that design, socks, different bags, long sleeve, short sleeve, tank tops. You could have all of these on your store to give your customers more options. So instead of buying just a t-shirt, they might buy like socks and a t-shirt, or all of these. Who knows? It all depends on your design, if they really want it and if they like it. That's going to be the hardest part, is thinking of a design that would be creative enough that a lot of people would want it. So we're going to come down here. You could add all of these to your storefront. We're going to hit continue, and that is basically it. So you could have a different URL to post on your social media platforms, your description, title. I'm not going to type all that out because it's going to take a while. But that is how you design a t-shirt on Teespring, and then you're going to promote that URL, and every time you get a sale, you're going to make that profit that it showed earlier. It all depends on the sale price that you put up, but you do make profit. And then if you don't know how to design your own t-shirts, we're going to go to Fiverr, and they have a ton of different t-shirt designers right here. Like they're $15, $10, and you could just have like this t-shirt right here, like gardening my way or therapy. You can make some kind of quote for gardeners, and they might want to wear that t-shirt, and then you could promote it in like Facebook gardening groups. Who knows, people might buy it, but you have to think like that. Where would people buy that product, and would they want that product? So if you're promoting it to gardening groups, you might want to try like gardening influencers, and that might cost you some money for advertising if they promote it. And then you could also order a sample right off of the Teespring website. So I saw it before, but if you go back, you could add, once you add the product, you could get a sample of that product. You have to pay for it, but then you could actually send those to different influencers or different people, and they could wear them and then promote that t-shirt. So that is a couple cool things. And if you don't know what to put on a t-shirt, just go out there, go on Google and type cool trending t-shirts. And you could also look at different things going on in the world. Like right now it's 2020, so COVID's going on, so you could have some kind of COVID quote. But that is all up to you and how creative you are. But this is a completely free passive income business to start, and your success depends on how creative you are and how cool of shirt you design. And then you have to get it out to people in the world, like influencers or your own followers, and then hopefully they spread the word. Think of like Christmas is coming up, so I might do like an ugly Christmas sweater. So you have to think like that, and then hopefully people will buy your products. Again, you can't just put like a weird letter on your shirt and hope people buy it, because would you wear a t-shirt with just like the letter A on a shirt? I wouldn't, so a lot of people probably would not. So you have to get really creative, and then it's up to you how big you want to scale this. The cool thing is you could have 100 orders a day and you don't have to do anything. Teespring is going to handle it all for you. So if you want to start a passive income business with $0 and zero risk, this is probably a good opportunity for you. You have nothing to lose. You could launch a t-shirt and hopefully get sales, but if nothing happens, then nothing happens. I mean, at least you tried it and you saw that it didn't work. So this is a cool opportunity. If you are creative and you want to try it out, check it out. It's teespring.com. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I actually might do this as an experiment. I'm always thinking of different ideas of how to make money online, and that is how I got into Amazon FBA and launched my business on there. So if you want to check out videos on Amazon FBA, check out my other videos. But that is it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.